Drop. Hey. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. Drop the chainsaw.
On December the 1st, 2024, in St. Charles, Illinois, police were called to the River Glen of St. Charles Assisted Living Facility after a man entered the building carrying a chainsaw and threatening residents and officers. Responding officers confronted the man inside the facility's lobby and cafeteria, repeatedly ordering him to drop the weapon and attempting to use a taser before a confrontation escalated. Body camera footage released by authorities shows the subject refusing to comply, starting the chainsaw, and at times charging toward officers and residents before shots were fired.
Okay. Hey! Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know, he came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police
please.
are coming.
1393.
Go ahead.
There's no answer at the call to business.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open.
I'm calling me a cat.
10-4.
He went that way.
Units didn't come in. Can you step it up? Hey!
Incoming units.
Hey! Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. On the ground.
Attention B1 units there, someone B1 for St. Charles.
Get back! Get back! Hey, drop. Hey. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. One at taser point.
Oh my God.
Hey, drop it! Drop it!
1393, can you 10-9?
I got one at taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it!
Subject in the front lobby.
You want me to leave? Yes.
Step it up.
I'm leaving here without my lady. Where is she?
Step it up!
Where's my?
Drop it!
I just want my wife, man. I just want. Listen, man. I don't want to.
Taser forward! Taser! Hey! Taser deployed. Hey! Yeah.
Where is he?
Right here! He's right here! He's got the trigger. Everyone, clear out!
Get him out. Come here.
Guys, upstairs!
Oh shit!
Oh!
I'm going.
You gotta get tased!
Attention all Irish units. We're going to St. Charles, 945 block of Northwest Avenue. 95 North Avenue, St. Charles. Attention all Irish units. Special attention St. Charles units. Direct dispatching a shots fired at 905 Northwest Avenue. Everybody in St. Charles. Responding as acknowledging ETA. 21 versus 7 en route. 3 minutes.
Come on. What's up? Move your...
Avenue, everyone in St. Charles, responding as acknowledging ETA.
Here we go. All right.
2137 en route.
Come on. Watch out. Move your. All right. Hey, get out here. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Gotcha. Roll medics.
I think I'm okay. I don't know. Yeah. You guys okay?
Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're good.
Authorities later identified the individual as a 41-year-old man from Indiana and stated he did not have a known connection to the assisted living facility. Kane County prosecutors reviewed the incident, including bodycam video and investigative evidence, and determined that the officer's use of deadly force was justified, so no criminal charges were filed against them. The man died from multiple gunshot wounds, and the investigation was closed with the officers cleared of wrongdoing. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.